estate investing course that will calm all of your real estate worries.
This course will save you time, money, and stress.
And most importantly, help you gain more money.
Sign up for our real estate investing course at secretsofrealestate.net.
Welcome to Secrets of Real Estate.
Okay, guys, so today we're going to talk about corporation. So, when you're investing in real estate, you want to do it in your name. Some people want to do it in their names, their personal names, and some people want to form a different entity. So they may want to start a corporation. They might want to start an LLC, limited liability corporation, S corporation.
What's the difference between an LLC and a corporation?
That's kind of a tax question. So you guys, one of them is a partnership, one of them isn't. It's like you guys can talk to your tax people on the different LLCs or corporations or S Corp or P Corp or whatever it is that you decide that LP, there's different stuff. Limited partnership, the LP. So it's different corporations on the Secretary of State website that you can actually get, but you need to talk to your tax person to see the difference between all of them and see which one is the one that you need.
Gotcha.
So this tax person is actually the person that do your taxes every year. Ask them. They more know about those things, If you decide that you want to put it in a corporation, figure out that corporation, you can actually go on the Secretary of State.
The website?
Yeah. And, you have done yours before.
Yeah, Secretary of State. Is it always called the Secretary of State in every state?
Yes.
Okay. So just go to Secretary of State.
The Secretary of State and go under the corporation.
State.
Yeah, in whatever state you are. In your country, I don't know in different countries if they have the same thing. But go on the Secretary of State in the United States website. And, that website, you can actually form your own corporation.
Right.
By yourself, or you can actually pay someone to do it.
It's not that hard, but sometimes it can get complicated on the site.
It can.
I would just call them and let them walk you through it the first time.
Yeah, sometimes they have customer service that will walk you through it and kind of help you how to do it. And also when you're done doing your corporation. So let's get back to the corporation. It's either you're going to put it in your name, your personal name, or you want a separate entity, which is your corporation, to keep you separate, your name separate from the property. So maybe you want to start a business. You want to start a business name and put it in the business name. You get an account separately at your banking with that name. You'll get a card in the mail, like a Visa card in the mail, from banking, a banking card with your business name on there. All these things, you can actually start a whole business. You started a corporation before.
Yeah, I did.
A few. She's talking about how I did, like she only did one. She did a few corporations before. So basically, you need a tax ID number too when you do the corporation. You can't just get a corporation and not a tax ID number. So you go ahead and go on the IRS.gov, get a tax ID. That's also in the United States. I don't know what you do in other countries if they have tax ID, even if you pay taxes in other countries. I don't know. But, we have in the United States.
I think we're the only
I have no
country
idea.
that pay taxes.
I have no idea. But I know in the United States, we have to pay taxes. So we need a tax ID for the business. And we have to report at the end of the year what you did the whole time, that year. So every year you pay taxes on your corporation. So that's important, very, very much important.
Yeah. And that's when you get to, like, write off things.
Yeah, you can write off a lot of things that has to do with the real estate company.
I was about to say, like, private jets. No.
Yeah, you can't do that. But,
I mean, if it has to do with the company.
yeah. Don't do that. Okay. Make sure you don't do that.
It's a joke.
But, yeah, so the EIN number, you'll get that. You'll get your corporation papers. You take that down to your banking, to the bank. Open up an account. They send you a card in the mail. You got checkbooks. You're ready to do business. So that's just part of, becoming an entrepreneur.
Yeah, so you have to have your properties in a, well, it's probably good to put your properties in a corporation just in case, like, somebody wants to try to come after you, maybe.
Yeah, you could do that. And sometimes you just want to have a separate entity, not attaching yourself to it.
Right.
Even though when you do corporations, you still have to attach your social to it.
That's what I never understood about that.
Right.
Like,
so not exactly attach it to the corporation, but when you go for your EIN number, IRS wants your social before they give you that company EIN number. And it's just, EIN is something like your company social security number. That's what that's like. So definitely. I personally do corporations and, keep everything a separate entity.
Yeah, I think it's more better like that. Anyway.
Yeah, it's
keep it all separate.
Yeah, keep it separate. And then the insurance company, make sure you put your insurance inside of, on the corporation. Put insurance on the corporation. So how I say that is when you buy the property, when the corporation name, say your corporation name is AB Company, and you're gonna call your insurance agent and said, I bought 123 Anywhere Street, and that title needs to hold AB Company. It holds that title. So in other words, you're gonna buy AB Company, take that company and put it in on the title of the property. So you're gonna buy. Am I clear? I don't think I'm clear.
No.
Okay.
Let's try to clear it up.
So my company is AB. I'm gonna buy a house in the name of AB. I'm not
Don't
gonna buy
A, B, and then do D and C.
No, that's the name of the company. AB Company.
Don't make it so difficult like that.
Tell me the name of a company.
Because you're like A, B, and then here's comes C and D. Like, that's confusing.
No.
All right, go ahead.
So whatever name you decide for your real estate investment company, you're going to put that company on the property's title at closing.
Company's name.
Right. So you want to contract it in the company name. You want to put it on the title at closing. You want to call your insurance company and say, hey, insure this company, this house in the company name. Right? Nothing goes in your name. You're a separate entity. Nothing goes in your name. Nothing. Some people just feel like I'm just gonna buy one property. I'm not gonna buy a whole lot of property, and then I can just put everything in my name. It's not a big deal. If you happen to put everything in your name by accident, you can actually go down to the courthouse and get a quitclaim deed and transfer it over into the company's name.
We're gonna make a video on that.
Oh, we are? Oh, okay.
Yeah, or we should have put that in our course. We have a course, guys.
Yep.
Where we're teaching you step by step how to invest in rental property. Well, how to invest in real estate in general, because we're gonna have a lot more other courses. Yeah, on that course, we're teaching you all of our mistakes to avoid. and teaching you how to save some money and time and how to make more money from real estate investing. So we're going to leave that link down below in the description box. Go ahead and click it. It's the first link on the description box, how to invest in real estate course.
Yep. And in the course, we have a lot of free forms in there that came with the course. Forms that you can really get on the street, you know, forms that we actually put together and made up, that we use in our everyday lives with real estate. So
yeah, so a lot of exclusive forms, and we have workbooks, we have a quiz, we have a few things on there that's definitely going to help you get through your real estate investing journey.
we go over numbers with you, and
Yeah, we're breaking it.
we are.
Yeah.
Yep, we sure.
So go ahead over and visit secretsofrealestate.net and check out. We have a few things on that website. Maybe something that interests you. Alright guys, we want you to like
subscribe.
and comment.
Yeah.
And let us know what other videos you would like for us to record.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.